One, if you've ever wondered how massive companies keep their IT from just spiraling into total chaos, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a process that is absolutely fundamental to keeping businesses running: incident management, specifically inside the ServiceNow platform. All right, let's jump right in. So, I want you to just imagine this for a second. You've got a company with thousands of employees, but zero system for when things break. Your email dies, the network's down, you can't log in. What do? Who do you even call? Does your problem just vanish into thin air? That is the chaos we're talking about. And here's what that looks like side by side. On the left, you've got that chaos, right? People are just calling whichever IT person they know, issues get totally forgotten, and it takes forever to get anything fixed. But then look at the right. With a real incident management system in place, whoa, it's a different world. Every single problem becomes a ticket that can be tracked, nothing gets lost, and issues get resolved way, way faster. It's literally the difference between anarchy and order. So, how do we make that leap from total chaos to perfect order? Well, the answer is a system. And for us, that system is ServiceNow. To really get how it works, we just need to nail down two really simple core ideas first. First up, what in the world is an incident? You know, the word sounds kind of dramatic, but it's actually super straightforward. In the IT world, an incident is just any interruption that stops you from doing your job. That's it. If something's broken and you can't work because of it, boom, it's an incident. And we're talking about the kind of stuff we've all been through. Can't log into your computer, the VPN just won't connect, the printer is jammed. Again, these everyday headaches, well, they're the bread and butter of IT incidents, and they are exactly what this whole system is built to handle smoothly and efficiently. Okay, so if an incident is the problem, incident management is the solution. It's the official process with one single solitary goal: get things back to normal as fast as humanly possible. The key words there are restoring and quickly. It's all about getting the user back to work with minimal downtime. Now that we've got the definitions down, let's actually follow an incident on its journey. We're going to trace one single ticket all the way from the moment a user reports it to the second it gets closed out. And here it is, the entire life cycle in 6 steps. So let's say a user can't log in because their password expired. Step 1, they report it. Step 2, a ticket, we'll call it INC 001234, is created instantly. Step 3, the system is smart enough to know it's a login issue and zap, it assigns it to the desktop support team. Step 4, an engineer grabs it, sees the password issue. Step 5, they reset it, update the ticket. And finally, step 6, the user gets back in, gives the thumbs up, and the ticket is officially closed. So simple, so clean, and everything is tracked. So what's actually in one of these tickets? It's all the critical info. Who has the problem? What exactly is the problem? How urgent is it? And who's working on it? This isn't just busy work. This is the ticket's DNA. It's what ensures that nothing ever falls through the cracks. And this is where the real magic happens. The system is smart. It doesn't just create a ticket and dump it in a big pile. Based on what the user wrote, it automatically sends the ticket to the right specialist. So a login problem goes straight to desktop support, while a network outage goes to the network team. No human has to sort it, no time is wasted. Okay, so that's the process. It's organized, it's efficient, I get it. But why is this such a total game changer for the whole business? Let's talk about the payoff, because this is where it gets really interesting. The results are pretty dramatic, and they really boil down to 2 huge things. First, response times get way, way faster because everything is assigned and tracked from the get-go. And second, when people get their problems fixed quickly, well, user satisfaction just skyrockets. It's a pretty simple equation. Faster help equals happier, more productive people. And for the IT department itself, the benefits are absolutely transformative. They get total visibility into everything, which makes the team more efficient and accountable. But the real superpower is the data.
With all this info, managers can spot trends, like, hey, why does this one printer model fail every week? And make smart decisions to fix problems before they even happen. It's the big shift from just firefighting to actually being strategic.
So, what's the bottom line here? It's really important to connect all of this back to you and your career. This isn't just about how a company works. This is about a skill that is foundational for anyone who wants to work in IT support. And look, you really don't have to take my word for it. This is a core competency. Knowing this process inside and out is what separates a good IT support professional from a truly great one. It shows you don't just know how to fix one person's computer, you know how to operate inside a professional, efficient support organization. Ultimately, this is the transformation we've been talking about. Incident management completely elevates IT support. It turns the department from just a reactive, fix-it crew that waits for things to break into a proactive, organized, and super efficient team that provides a critical service to the entire company. So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. Now that you understand the life cycle of an incident and the power of the data behind it, think about where you work. What's that one annoying recurring problem, that one ticket that just keeps popping up over and over that you could now analyze and solve for good? Because that is where the real value starts,